Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Assi Sisi Sie vlogs. This vlog today is about my room makeover. It's a very messy room, you can see it. I have all my things messed here and there. So I'll be giving this room a good makeover. Let's get started by cleaning this room. So that's it. That's my room after all the makeover. I'll just show you. That's my beautiful carpet. It's not a carpet, it's a rug. Life is good. I'm so fond of pink colors these days. This part I still need to organize it. It's yet to be organized. Yeah, beautiful stool. That's from IKEA. I have a beautiful table lamp. I'll show you. Table lamp from IKEA. My cozy spot. That's what I love the most. Snack plant. It's working like my dresser for now. It's not organized at all. I'll organize it later. My cozy corner area. There are many things that I need to replace it. As of now, these are just temporary. But I got this rug from Amazon. It's an artificial plant. The plant stand is also from Amazon. My wardrobe. I'll show you a beautiful thing. My mini Superman. It looks like a ghost. And this is my favorite area. whenever I want to sit and relax and chill out. This is the spot. My window, you can just see. Now don't ask me what is that. That's my door, my everyday tops, and here I have some more plants. My perfume, my key. This is little me. This spot is yet to be organized properly. Then some more plants. I don't have a spot to put my shoes. I've just organized it this way. It gets hidden, but I'm so fond of shoes. I have so many shoes. And this little bag. Those are my trophies, my bags. That's it. The final room. That mama and that Karen. That my plant. These are king chilies. These are succulents but not planted properly. Ta-da, my room. Mom and me, we are going to enjoy the homemade ice cream by me. This is the first ice cream. This is the blueberry marble cake. And the second one. This one is the Kesar pista. And I have one more. And this is the fresh mango cake. Oh, ice cream. Sorry, cake. These are the tree. You can see it. It looks very beautiful, very delicious. I'll just show you how it is. Let's first try the Kesar pista. Enough? Is this enough? Look at it. हमने खुद दिखाया था दिखाई ना मैंने कोता कोता तो दिखाई नहीं अलग जगह पे दिखाया है. Let's try the other one. This is the blueberry marble cake flavor. Mom looks to be very happy with the ice cream. She's a big fan of ice cream. Mom's favorite. That's mango. Ah, Jiggy's back! So that's it. These are my 3 flavors. Let's see Mom's reaction on this. Mom, you can have it. Mommy. Thank you. Tell me how the cake is. Nice. And we found our dog back. He was lost for some time. We've been searching for him for whole time. Mommy, show me your ice cream. Ooh, it looks like a basket of inside. Impressive. You're proud of me. No reaction. You're proud of me. You're proud of me.
Yes, yes.
Chalo, let's enjoy the cake. Sorry, why am I saying cake? Ice cream. Let's enjoy the ice cream. See you. I like the blueberry cake. Sorry, chili cake was it? Blueberry because it's a cake. That's why. Maybe blueberry marble cake ice cream. Flavored with the food. It's a cake base as well. You can see the recipe in my upcoming videos. I'll upload the recipe how to make ice cream at home. It's a very simple recipe. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you receive every notification that whenever I upload videos. Thank you once again. Bye bye.